So here I am back in the AWS Management Console. I can simply just search for the Elastic Beanstalk service, or what I'm doing now. Once I find it, I click into it and we'll see the Elastic Beanstalk dashboard. Currently I have no environments, so I'll create one. Notice I have two options here, either web or worker. This is going to be a website, so I select web and give it an application name. This is our to-do app, so let's name it accordingly. Once I give it a name, I can also give it some optional tags. However, the next thing I need to do is specify the platform version this app will use. If you remember, this is a PHP app, so I select PHP. And next I'll have to decide where the code's coming from. For this application, I've got code prepared for it already on my local hard drive, so I'm just going to import that using a Choose File dialog. Once that's imported, I need to configure some additional settings. So these are all the additional things you can configure through Elastic Beanstalk. Settings like networking, load balancing, how you manage updates. For this one, I'm going to add a database. So here I'm selecting the database. Choose the type of database, which is MySQL, and choose its version. So I'm choosing a specific version this app will run on. Next thing I need to do is to provide some admin credentials for this database. So I'll put that in the username and password fields. Once I've finished with that, I check all the other options like deploying to a single AZ. Then I hit save. It will now start deploying Elastic Beanstalk with my PHP server and MySQL database. I'll speed this up to save a bit of time. You can see the progress of the deployment in Elastic Beanstalk in the console. So that's now all deployed. So this is my deployed app running on Elastic Beanstalk. It gives me a URL that I can click into. Once I click into it, you can see that the app is successfully deployed. I'll now just create a test to do so I can make sure that the database is all wired up, and there we have our to-do app. Really easy to do, and was all using Elastic Beanstalk.